So I actually booked one appointment. Woo! I'm super stoked. I'm so proud of myself. It's just only the beginning, guys. But I'm also going to do 2 door knocks in the same area as my appointment. They're like in a cluster area. A door knock is where you just kind of show up, and I'm going to probably like leave a door hanger or a flyer. I'll make something because their numbers were wrong. Like they probably weren't wrong. It's just that the way that they wrote in their numbers is not really legible. So I'm going to just door knock those people. And you never know. I mean, I might be able to set an appointment. I feel like sometimes when people see you or, you know, if you leave something, they might call you back. So check out my cold calling video. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. I'm all ears. Enjoy. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday morning. It is 9:38 and I am up. Obviously, I haven't gotten dressed yet. I need coffee. But I'm about to do my cold calls today, so you guys can check me out. You can laugh, learn, comment below. My goal is to at least book some appointments today. I'm horrible at cold calls, so fingers crossed, you know, something good happens, or at least it's just a learning experience and keep breaking the ice for me since I'm so scared to do it. I guess doing it little by little is going to really help me to just get over that. I'm in my morning clothes. You do not have to be cute to make your cold calls from your house at your table. I'll get cute and do the rest of this video for y'all later. But right now, I just rolled out of bed. Okay. So basically, stay tuned and wish me luck. Your call has been forwarded to it. I always like hang up and call right back and let it ring a couple times. Sometimes people call you back. Or they pick up. I always mark like on my papers, my leads, how many times I call and what day and time. Like AM or PM. Just so I can keep track.
Hi, this is Richard Lane.
No luck yet, guys. Don't get discouraged. It's hard out here for a pimp. It's going to be so much better once I build my own lead funnel. But until then, you know, you just have to work with what you have, you know. So that's all I can tell you. But we're going to 10x this shit, baby. Because I'm going to get through all these this morning. I'm going to feel accomplished before the end of the day. Then I'll get dressed up and come back and look cute and do a video for you guys. Good morning. Is Miss Mary there? Hey, Miss Mary. This is Alicia. I'm calling on behalf of your mortgage with Wells Fargo Bank. How are you doing this morning?
I'm fine.
Good. You or your husband, Mr. Willie Smith, either one of you looks like a female's writing though. You filled out a form wanting to get free no obligation information about mortgage protection on your mortgage. You filled it out, and I just needed to verify a few things with you on the sheet. Is your birthday 10/1/65 and 11/6/71? Oh, that's his? Oh, okay. 10/01/65 is his and 11/06/71 is yours? Alrighty, and you great. Well, my name is Alicia. I'm actually the underwriter in your area of Lakeland, Florida, and I will be in your area on Monday and Wednesday. So I was trying to see what was the best time for me to come by and drop off the 15-minute information for you guys.
So Wednesday I won't get off work until 5 o'clock.
Oh, that's okay.
Monday.
Yeah, I'm available till 7, so I can come at 6:30 on a Wednesday.
Okay, that'll be fine.
Okay, 6:30 p.m. And will your husband, Mr. Willie Smith, be there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what time will he be there? Because we do appointments with both the husband and wife together.
I'll have to find out.
Okay, or does Monday work better for you guys in the evening?
Not for me because I'll be at work all day.
Oh, really? I know how that is because I used to work the late night shift, so ooh, it's brutal.
That's my Monday.
Oh, it is. It's brutal.
Yes. Is there the number I can call you back?
Yeah, sure. All right. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna pencil you in for 6:30 on Wednesday, and then you can let me know if maybe your husband Mike can make it. Maybe not. If he can't, then we can reschedule.
Okay.
All right. And let me give you my phone number. Is this your cell or I call the house line?
That's my cell.
Oh, okay. So it popped up 813-609-2109.
Yes.
And my name is Alicia Hurdle. And can I just give you a confirmation number really quickly if you don't mind?
Okay.
Okay, your confirmation number is W as in Walter 451502.
Okay.
And I look forward to meeting you.
All right. Thank you.
Have a great day. Bye. Thank you, God. My first appointment. Finally. I don't care that it's just her. Whatever. I'm gonna make sure her husband's there. I don't got time for that. Okay, I gotta get focused. I still have to keep calling. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm giving you guys a virtual high five. If you're out here struggling like me, hello. So now I gotta put all this information in, and then I'm still gonna show up. So let me explain why I did that, and I might do it, cut this and tell you why. Because on the phone is so hard, period. So when people see you and they feel your energy and you get in front of even this one person, I'll drive out there just so she can see me in person, so she can feel comfortable, and she'll be like, oh, okay, well, let's try to shoot for Wednesday. I meant like Friday or something like that. So at this point, you gotta do what you gotta do. That's how I feel. Hi, is Miss Rita or Mr. Charles available? Hey, Miss Rita, this is Alicia. I'm calling on behalf of your Sunwest Mortgage company mortgage. How are you doing this morning? I'm excellent. Thanks for asking. Very sweet of you. I'm calling because you actually filled out, well, it looks like you filled it out, not Mr. Charles. You filled out and returned to us requesting information about mortgage protection insurance. I just wanted to verify.
Well, I'm already going around you guys.
Oh no. Oh my God. When did that happen?
Past April a year ago.
Oh wow, God bless you. I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, me too.
Did you move out of the house or
Anyway,
did you leave? Did you move out of your home?
No, I'm still in the house, but I had someone kind of talk to me about the insurance, and it wasn't beneficial because of my age.
Okay.
They wouldn't loan me that much.
Okay.
Or wouldn't give me that much insurance, so it really wasn't beneficial.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay. And do you have anything in protection for yourself, just in case and when you pass away, for your kids or anything like that?
You mean for the house?
Or no, just for yourself, like, as far as like when you pass away, do you have a death benefit for your children or things like that?
Yeah, I like to.
Okay.
If I enjoy your, I'm retired now, but I have insurance.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure you had something in place instead of nothing, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Well, you have a wonderful day. That's sad. Really, really sad. I didn't know how to overcome that. I feel bad. Guys, I'm back. Looking like a human being. I had to pull it together and get dressed so I can face the world. So you got to see me do my co-calls live. So definitely comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I could be doing better. Tell me, if you have any suggestions. You got to see me book my first appointment with At.is. Woo! I'm super excited. I had a few like little rebuttals, but I felt like I handled it pretty well. And then you get to also see one of my other calls where I didn't really handle it that well. I didn't really know how to overcome the objections to maybe get the appointment. I know some people are probably like master sellers and they probably could have circumvented their rebuttals and got the appointment. I'm not that good yet. I'm learning. Now, I know some of you guys would frown upon the appointment that I made because some of you go, oh, that's going to be a one-legged appointment. No. At this point, I'm brand new. People do business with people they like. When somebody meets me in the flesh, honey, I have a lot of aura. I have a lot of positivity. So it's hard dealing with people over the phone because people are like, first of all, everybody's like weary and sketchy of anybody calling them. I am too. I get it. But if I go, I'm willing to go out there and there just be one person, but she meets me or he meets me and they're like, oh my God, you know, she was a sweetheart. Like, yeah, we should meet with her. She seemed totally friendly, legit, and all that, you know. So totally, if you're new like me and you don't have business yet, I would go on that one-legged call. You know, it couldn't hurt. Get your face out there, let them see who you are. So I'm not going to shoot myself in the foot. I'm definitely going to go and do what I can do and make something happen out of nothing. Okay, so that's just a little encouragement if you're dealing with that as well. And I will keep y'all posted and let you know how it went. Okay, looking forward to the day when it's just like easy breezy and I'm just more natural. Obviously, people hung up on me. Rude. You just can't take it personally. I almost took one of them a little personally. I wanted to like text them back real quick and be like, oh, you could have said no thank you, you know, but I had to stop myself because it's not that deep. You know, people are just going to be rude regardless, so you can't do nothing about it. And guess what? I'll probably call them back again next week. So hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing some of my cold calling. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Until next time, we're in this insurance game together, helping one another grow, prosper, live long and prosper. All right, guys, until next time. See ya.